In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and replace a background in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know how to isolate your subject cleanly and drop them onto a new scene with confidence. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can drag the file directly into the workspace or go to File and choose Open. Once your photo is in, we'll create a selection around the main person or object. A quick way to do this is with the Quick Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing W. With it selected, brush over your subject. Photoshop will look for edges and snap the selection to the contours. If you prefer a one-click approach, go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Photoshop will analyze the image and try to find the most prominent subject automatically. If it grabs too much or too little, you can refine by adding or subtracting with the Quick Selection tool until the edges look right. Now that your subject is selected, we want to target the background instead. Go to the Select menu and choose Inverse. This flips the selection so everything except your subject is now highlighted. To remove the background, you have two options. Press Delete to permanently remove those pixels, or for a non-destructive workflow, add a layer mask. A mask simply hides the background and keeps your pixels intact, which makes adjustments later much easier. If you see any stray edges after masking, you can fine-tune by painting on the mask with a soft black or white brush to hide or reveal details. Let's add a new background. Go to File and choose Place Embedded, then pick your new background image. It will drop in as a smart object so you can transform it cleanly. Use Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac to resize and position it. Drag the handles to scale the image. Proportions are constrained by default, so it should stay balanced as you resize. Press Enter or Return to confirm the transform when it looks right. In the Layers panel, make sure the new background sits below your subject layer. If it's on top, simply click and drag it underneath. This layering order ensures your